What's up, everybody? This is HEMI from Mashcomm Airsoft, coming at you with the Blowback Armory simulated recoil engine install. This is the stock M16 A3. Buy it from Blowback. Just gonna do a real quick chrono just to show what it's doing stock. Might have had some mixed BBs in there. Rusty Mac or something, but pretty close to 4 on average. Alright, so open up the package I got from Blowback. Comes with the new heavy recoil kit. All the parts you need to do it. This is the first time it's been done on the M16 A3. Wasn't sure if it would work with the setup on it. It's for an M4 platform. So there's all your parts there. Also comes with a full list of detailed instructions. Follow it step by step. Very important, crucial information on these directions. If you do not follow them, it will not work. Alright, so do your basic strip on your M4, M16, whatever you're working on. First thing on the directions is to remove the bolt carrier. Take apart the alignment guides, the plastic guides, or take off the plastic guides. There will be 2 of them on this unit. Okay, now the nozzle is loose. You can use a small punch out the pin. Just make sure you do it from this side, the beveled side. Do not punch it all the way through. You don't need a big hammer or anything like that. It shouldn't take much effort to push. Just do not pull it all the way out. It's not necessary. Slide that out. Get whatever tool you have. Remove the old stock O-ring. Throw that in your spare parts. Install the supplied new O-ring with the heavy recoil kit. Make sure to follow the directions step by step. Apply some oil. I supplied this oil by the Blowback Armory. Works great. Haven't had any issues with it. Make sure to apply it to the cylinder wall. This gun is basically brand new, so if you have some uses on your gun, go ahead and clean it before you do these steps while you have it all opened up, and then re-lube as necessary. Slide the nozzle back in, reset your pin, make sure it's set. Tap your pin back in. Shouldn't need a hammer or anything too strong. Just make sure the pin is flush once in, and now you can reinstall your plastic nozzle guides. be an oil point if you were cleaning your gun, doing maintenance on both guide channels and the plastic guides themselves. Make sure to apply a little bit of blue Loctite onto this flathead screw here. You don't want that coming loose in your gun and jamming it up. Go ahead and reassemble the upper half. And now we're going to work on the lower receiver. We're going to remove this stock buffer tube and spring by pushing down that dimple catch. Slide everything out. Set it aside. There will be a rubber piece inside of there. Some of the newer editions, those are glued in. I haven't seen anybody get those out for the ones that are glued. Luckily this one was not glued. To replace the ones that are glued in, you have to get a real steel crane stock piece. You can buy that from the Blowback Armory.com. Go ahead and remove that. You will not need that again. And now we're going to start assembling our new heavy recoil. Go ahead and remove the set pin, set it aside. Apply the stock buffer spring. Go ahead and thread on that piece, the buffer spring head. You need to set it per direction. For my gun it's 4.8 inches. You will be adjusting it after this point, so approximately 4.8 inches works. Do not reinstall the set pin yet. This is going to be a rough test just to make sure everything fits. Go ahead and reinstall the upper onto the lower. Make sure you don't have any interference. At this point, you'll pull it off and you will retract the buffer head 1/2 turn as per the directions. So you'll be turning it right, tightening it. I'm going to go ahead and reinsert the set pin, or set screw, I'm sorry. This is one area I think that the BBA should put a little bit bigger of a set screw in. This is kind of small for this fitting here. The more you work with it, the more you have a chance to strip that thing out. So got it all back together. Now you need to check your mag, make sure that your bolt catch is up on your mag. This is to check the clearance of everything. rack your charge handle back. If it doesn't catch, you need to adjust everything all over again, and you keep doing this step until that bolt catches while you recharge your handle. Now you can leave this set screw out during this entire process until you get it to catch from your bolt catch, and then once you get it to catch per the directions supplied, then you can set the set screw. That way you're not messing with it every time. I ended up turning it in about 6 turns before the bolt catch would catch. Alright, reinsert your mag. It's not catching. It caught on the 4th try. I went and tightened it one more time, and it worked perfect every time. So here's a demo of the recoil with the new heavy recoil kit. Big difference on the recoil impact, at least 200% of the stock. Same mag from the original Chrono, so I got a really good FPS off it. Didn't change anything or decrease anything. And there you go. This is HEMI from Mashcomm Airsoft. Go get your recoil kit from the Blowback Armory. We'll see you guys soon.